Well, hello guys. Welcome to Gina's Way. So, okay, we're playing a little game on Facebook again. So hopefully you've already voted. But what's funny is nobody probably won't get it right. Okay, that's really funny because the whole order was a $5.48 moneymaker. Yes. Like, this is wonderful, right, guys? So I'm going to go over it real quick with you. It's not much to write down. Let me just tell you a couple things. When you're shopping at Target, same thing with Kmart. Take your time. Take a bunch of, sorry, I have gum in my mouth. Sorry. But take your time. Take a bunch of like different coupons and stuff like that. All types of different coupons. That's what's important. What I normally do, I go in there and I just keep playing around with the numbers until I can get it as low as possible. Today, my son happened to be with me and he's like, really, Mom? Because it was coming up to like $2 or $1 and something. And he's like, just get, I'm like, no. I don't want to pay anything. I don't want to pay anything. And he thought that was so funny, but oh, well. And I did it. You know, I wanted to do it where it could be money makers. And I did it. So, hey, I'm excited about that. All right, guys. So let me show you how I did that. If you have not checked out my CVS video, go ahead, check that out. And then, let's take a look at how I did that. So let me just tell you guys a little bit of a secret really quick before we get into this. You guys want to go to the male cashiers, okay? The women cashiers, women, I love you. I know there's cashiers that's watching me. I love you guys too. However, women like to dissect stuff and take stuff apart. And if I tell you to sometimes if I say, go ahead and take this coupon off first, because you need to give them that $5 off Target coupon that needs to go off first. It's a $5 off gift card. So and it's in the paper. So when you get in there, if you don't have the paper this week, just go ahead and go up to the customer service desk and then clip your paper, or you can just text, I think it's CARE to 827-438 or something like that. I'll put in the description box. But you want to give them that first, okay? Because that gives you a $5 gift card once you've reached $15. But check this out. Women are when you go to a woman, they usually dissect things. It don't matter how I put the coupons in. Yes, it does. Or you got a lot of women that will say different things like they see, like, let me tell you, I've never had a problem because I always go to the men in Target. So I know a lot of people have problems with Target, but I've never had a problem. And I just go to the men, we go right through. Let me show you, for example. This right here is buy one, get one free Suave Gold Infusion, which makes it, the max value is $6.99, okay? Usually if they just scan this card right here, scan the coupon, bam, you're good to go. They're going to take off $6.99. Now, if the cashier take it open, take it off, look at it, take it back, do all the dissecting, then they might do some, but I've never had a problem either other way. And I do know a lot of couponers that say they've never had problems neither. But this only works if they take off the whole $6.99. If they don't take off the whole $6.99, then you might have to pay something out of pocket, right? So I don't know. I didn't figure it up the other way. But you just want to give them this. It is one coupon it's 2 per order. I broke mine up into 3 orders. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let me show you what I did. Okay. So let's do this order right here. I bought 1 Bic, $3.19. I bought 2 Suave. They were $2.89. So I bought that twice. I bought 2 Tresemes. Those were $3.89. Now the coupons I used, there was a $5 off of 2 Tresemme. It was a $9.27 Red Plum. I used a $2 off of 1. That was for the Bic, and that was in today's Smart Source, so October 4th Smart Source. And then I used the buy one get one free, which was that little coupon I just showed you, this right here. Okay, and that was in 927 Smart. 927. Well, just look at 927. It's either the Smart Source or Red Plum, obviously. Okay, that's what I did. All right. And then, so if you look at it, so $16.75 minus the $5 for the Tresemme brings it to $11.75. Minus the $2 brings it to $9.75. Minus $6.99, the buy one get one free. It's $2.76. But then you're gonna get a $5 gift card, which makes it a $2.24 moneymaker. Now you have to pay tax, of course, but the reality of it is that's how much it costs. In fact, my subtotal says $2.76. So somehow, I don't know, did something ring up a little bit more? Oh wait, this was right. So I guess it was $2.76. So it's not a $2.24 moneymaker. Maybe it's like a $2.50. No, maybe a $2 moneymaker. I don't know. Not sure where I went wrong with my adding, but you do see where it says $6.99 right there. They just take the whole thing off. Okay, so I didn't have any problems. So there we go. So I got that one, and that's that order, and then I repeated it with that order, and then this order right here, this one came to $3.96 plus, you know, my tax, so that was a $1 money maker. And I did the same thing. I had $2 off Axe coupons, so it was just $2 off Axe coupons. I threw that Suave Professional because I know that was going to give me some overage. I did that again, and that's pretty much what I did. So so that's how I was able to get such a big money maker. I mean, $5.48 money maker or less, and everything was, let's see, the savings this trip. So I guess that's what they're talking about, $19 plus 20, so 20, 40, 60. So it's about $60 worth of product probably, and they paid me $5.48. You guys, this is couponing at its best. Bomb.com. So go out, do some couponing. This will get out fast because I do have people who follow me that have couponing channels as well. So of course this deal is going to get around into the couponing community pretty fast. So I'm going to write it up for you guys a little bit later today, but you guys got the first insight of this. So go get your things before they sell out, because I mean, wow, this is an awesome trip. Paid me $5 for everything. So see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.